Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Mailchimp account from scratch. So the first thing first you want to do is open your browser and then search Mailchimp, okay? So once you do research it, you want to scroll down to right here where it says mailchimp.com. Right, then click on the link. Okay, so dismiss. Alright, so first thing you want to do is sign up. Create a new account. So I'm gonna sign up. Right, so it says standard account, premium account. So since we are not buying any account now, we just want to sign up. To sign up for a free account, all we need to do is just click pair of futures. Right, so once you click on pair of futures, you can see right here it says sign up for free. So we're going to sign up for a free account, then click on sign up for free. So now you have to input your business email, username and password. Okay, so now all you have to do is check your email for the code. So we're going to open our Gmail. All right, so once you log into your email, you just find the Mailchimp email. So right here, activate account, then click on activate. Alright, so now we've activated accounts. So you just need to input some of your details right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with. So you have to make sure you have to put your address line, inbox, everything. So after the address, how do you want to set in customer, your website, physical location, or if you have online marketplace, consultation process, social media, whatever. So you click on it, click on next. So top post for Mailchimp to grow email list subscriber. So you can skip this process, bro, and advise you take this process one after the other. Then you input your website URL. But I'm just gonna skip it. Find your industry, fertilizer, publication, just go to clothing store, then click found, character range, just this. So right here it says choose a plan, so you can choose a plan if you want to, like I said earlier, and then start your free trial, or you just click on continue free. Okay, click free, and now our account is being prepared. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to create a mail. So you can connect your store if you have a Shopify store or Wix or whatever, or you can just click on our date later. So this is our Mailchimp account. This is how to create a Mailchimp from scratch. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Alright, so if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.